Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you few things about correction in the page. For example, you see my screen. This is my landing page. Okay, this is my landing page, and I want to edit few things. मुझे इसमें कुछ कलर चेंज करना है, मुझे स्पेलिंग सही करनी है, या एक नया ऐसी लाइन ऐड करनी है. If I want to add new lines or you want to edit any text and something, so I'm going to give you how you can edit. This is image, you can edit this, you can replace this image, right? So maximum Yati users are troubling with this thing, basic knowledge of web page, how to edit, how to make basic edit. Like I need to do this, for example. Okay, so how to do this? Let's start. Log into your Yati. This is my Yati system. Scroll down, and anything, all kind of web page are built on site. So here the site, you can see this is the site. Click on sites. After site, here are the sub menu. This is the funnel, this is a website, and this is stores, and so on. So many things are there. Now you have to identify your page. If you are edit in funnel, then you click on funnel. If you are editing in the website, you go to website, right? So I'm going to funnel. This funnel, this web page is made on funnel. Okay, so I'm going to find this. So number one, find your thing. So when you are creating your funnel, uh, definitely you will remember the name of the funnel. Okay, so I am just remembering the things. So just click here. I'm just checking test one. This is my funnel. I use this funnel name for testing purpose only, to teach or training purpose only. Okay, so I click on this. Now see, I have only one page in this funnel. You might have some more also. Okay, so you just come to this page, the page you want to edit. For example, this is the page in you want to edit. You want to check the page, you just click here and you will see what is the exact page. Okay, so this is the exact page. Stop wasting money on to of something something. Now I want to edit something. Okay, now I want to edit. So what to do? We will use this actual as a review purpose, and we will work here. Okay, so go on this page, click on edit button, drop down button, edit in new tab. Okay, now one new tab will open and editor will open. So web page editor will be opening now. So it might take few seconds, and then we will work. So I'm going to teach you what all things you will do. Okay, you will do, you will learn how to make correction of spellings first. So if you think that you need to change something, for example, this is one element. I want to edit anything. Okay, I, for example, I want to delete a stop. I delete a stop. Got it? You simply delete and click on, go to right side, top right. You can see my cursor top right here. Click on save button. Okay, I just simply delete the stop. Hmm? I did this very simply. And if I save, and if I go for preview option, then you will find, okay, then you will find, you just click on this preview icon, and you will see updated image. My internet got stuck sometime. Okay, so now you see, earlier here by the stop, now it's wasting time. So I deleted stop word before wasting. I think so you are clear till here, right? Now I want to rewrite stop. Okay, I rewrite. Now this is the first thing, you can delete edit. So this is very simple. You do this and click on save button. That's it. You save and publish. Save and publish. That's it. After making all the final correction, then you publish. Else you only keep saving only. Okay, now I want to change the color of this. For example, I want to change the color of wasting only. So select the word and go here, and click on this button here, the icon, color icon. You want to change this, you can find the colors, different color as per requirement, the yellow and the red, something. Now I'm making this color to like red. Okay, now see, this I changed. Okay, simply go on this save button, right side top right corner, and it's not necessary to publish every time. You just start saving, and you can publish at once at the last. Okay. Now I did this. I saved. Now this getting saved. Click on preview button. Now you see the updated version of this. Okay. Stop wasting, and this red. You're clear till here, right? So in this part of this video, I taught you how to change the color and how to edit the text, how you. So the use of this is that when if you want to make some correction, some grammatical mistake, some error, spelling error and all, then you can change it. You need not to contact any team or something. You just do yourself, right? This is one thing. Next I will going to teach you about. Okay, next is how to do this. So just wait. Now next is the how to change the image. For example, here is one image. This is one image. I want to change this image. Okay. So how to do? Click on the image or any image. If you have, just go scroll down. For example, this is one image. Okay. These are the images, different my coach's image, right? I want to change one image, for example, like I want to change this. Okay. Click here, click on the image. This image will be selected. Go to right side. In this right side, you you just find this general tab. There are three type of tab: general, style and automation, sorry, animation. Click on general, scroll down, come down. Here is the image address is this is the image address. Okay, so what you can do, you click on this button icon. Now you will come to your media storage. So media storage is storage on Yati, just like your local drive stage. Okay, if you have already some image, like I have this image, okay, then it's okay. Else what you do, you just go to upload button, choose a file which you want to upload into system. So and you choose this file from your own system, right? So I am going for my account. uh, for example, I'm going with my one photo. I'm taking this photo, for example, this just for example purpose. I choose one photo, the photo or the image or video, anything. First upload into your media storage, and this media storage your storage on internet. So now see, this photo came here. Okay, so this photo came from your laptop to this system. Now I will just click, double click, tick tick, and after making double tick, it will be here. Yeah, update hoga, it will be updated here. Yeah, see, right? Now you need to understand the formation also. Okay, what kind of, okay, what kind of formation you required. So in this way you can edit or upload new image also, but I don't want to do this, so I am just going undo. Can you see this undo? I am going undo. Yeah, I did undo. Okay, now next thing I am going to give you, that is how to do. Okay, so I taught you how to change color, how to do this. Now font, if you want to go with the font, next session I will teach you how to change the font also. Okay, so for example, this is the one element. Okay, you can click here and you can change it. You see, this is different. Now if you are making any kind of change, just make sure to view in the mobile also. So here are the two view. This is a desktop view and this is the mobile view. Click on mobile view. This will look in this manner. Okay, everything will be here only. So just go with this. If you are changing anything, you see whether size is good or not, fit or not, right? And then click on publish button. Making all the correction, just click on publish button. And after publish button, you will get final output, final change on the page. So in this video, I taught you how to change the color of font, how to edit the font, how to make spelling correction and everything. If I click refresh, earlier it was this pure white. Okay, now this is, okay, this getting updated. It takes few seconds sometime. Publish. Is published. Refresh, and if I go to open, this will open. I hope all of you will enjoy this editing part in page. If you have any query, let me know. Thank you so much.